Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm sorry I have been a little absent lately, so this Boxycharm coming today is going to be a little late. I've had some things going on at home, so I haven't been able to film and whatnot, so I apologize for that. I still wanted to show you what I got in my November Boxycharm, so if you wanted to subscribe to their subscription box, then you are more than welcome to. So for today's video, I'll be reviewing my November Boxycharm, and if I look a little funky right now, it's because I put on products that are not going to be in the box. So I took a little sneak peek. I've seen what's going to be in there, but I have not tested them out. This is pure 100% first impressions. So it looks like a really good box, and I will give you guys details later on in the video. So if you want to see what I got in my November Boxycharm, then let's get on into the video. On the side it says Hello Charmer, and the first thing in the box are these little eye brushes. And these are the Luxie Premium Synthetic Handcrafted Brushes. So let's see if we can even get these little tangs open. How you doing? I love Luxie brushes. I've gotten a few of them from Boxycharm in the past. That's like one of the brushes that they, I guess they're like in contact with a lot of the time. So we get a lot of their brushes. I don't like this packaging though. I can't get these things out. So these are the brushes. They are nice little gold glittery brushes. They're super cute, super like holiday-esque, you know, the glitter theme that's going on this year I love. So I'm going to try and use these in my video today because a palette did come in the box. So this brush set, let me show you guys what each little thing retails for. By the way, I forgot to tell you the theme this month is Gold Digger. So it's kind of like Gold Digger, but goals. So you get this little pamphlet. The theme is Gold Digger. And the brush set retails for $21, so that's already the price of the box. We're off to a good start. So the next thing in the box is the eyeshadow palette. And let me get this thing out of here. I like how they package it. I have not checked to see if any of my palettes are broken. That is one thing that I wish Boxycharm would fix. My box just comes solely like this and not like stuffed into a different box. And I feel like it probably should, so nothing will have risks of getting crushed. I've had issues with that in the past with like a palette coming in crushed. So this eyeshadow palette is by Ace Beauty, and oh my goodness, I love this packaging. It is so sleek and so fancy looking. This is the Grandiose palette, and this is what the palette looks like. I'm gonna take out, they put a little slip in there. That's always nice. And thank goodness none of them are crushed because I absolutely love this palette. It's so cute. This pink though, I don't know how I'd use that. That would be beautiful for a holiday party because it's like the camera's kind of showing it up as a hot pink, but it's more of like a berry satin color. And so this palette, before I get into it, let me see how much it retails for. So this palette retails for $24.99. So this is a pretty good affordable palette. You get 8 shades in here for $24. So that's really good. So I'm going to speed through this part and just kind of let you guys watch me as I go so that this video is not 10,000 years long. So I love this palette. Oh my gosh. Each shade that I used on my eyes were extremely easy to blend. The shimmers are not too like chunky. So sometimes when you have metallic shimmers like these two, like the gold one that I used, sometimes they can tend to be a little chunky and a little looking like they're a little drying on your eyelids, and these don't look like that. It's subtle. It's not like a glitter, obviously. It's not a glitter shadow. It's a metallic shadow, but it's not too chunky like sometimes metallic shadows are. So I'm absolutely in love with this palette. I am excited to try out these two shades. I was going to use this one today, but I figured with the look that I wanted to go for, I didn't really want to use a berry look today. I was going to go for more of a neutral so y'all could see what y'all could do with the neutral palette. Also, I used one of these brushes for this eye look, and this is extremely soft. I'm excited to try out like the little ones for my under eye. I'm going to take that cinnamon shade that I used on my eye. So love that. So the next thing that is in the box is this Jean Bleu Glittering Star Eyeliner. I think I want to try this out on my top line because actually something else comes in the box and I kind of need something like a liner to go down first. So I'm going to try this one out. I don't know about the glitter part of it. So this is what it looks like. You can tell like in the actual liner itself there are some glitter particles in there. So let's see how this is. So this isn't terrible. I don't see myself using this again because I just don't like a glitter liner when I'm doing like a black liner because it just kind of looks like I've missed some areas when the glitter hits the light. Also, this is not the smoothest. I'm not a huge fan of wooden eye pencils. I like wooden lip liners, but not exactly wooden eye pencils because I just feel like they're a little rough on your eyelids. My eyelids tend to be super sensitive, so I prefer like a gel liner. So this one's like an eh for me. Let's see how much it retails for. This retails for $5, so pretty accurate. So now I'm gonna pop on some mascara and I'll show you what's next in the box. So the next thing that is in the box are these Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, and it says Ready, Set, Get Addicted on it. The packaging is everything. It's like a gold shimmer packaging inside. These lashes look super pretty, super wispy, not too thick, so that I bet they're gonna look pretty natural. And I've never heard of this brand, Lashaholic, but on the back you can follow their socials on there. These lashes retail for $14.99, which is a pretty decent price. Most lashes that I purchase are in between the $5 to $10 range. So this is a little bit steeper than what I would shoot for, but they are super, super pretty, so we'll see how they work out. So while my lash glue is drying, which it takes a few minutes, give it about 30 seconds to a minute, I'm gonna look at the next thing in the box, which is super exciting. This is the Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Nova. So I prefer the Cover FX Dewy Drops, and this is the glitter drops. So the shade looks like this. So you can kind of see that there are some glitter particles in there. And I've seen people use this and not love it because there are glitter droplets in there. So I'm gonna try it on my cheek and see how it works, but I do wanna test it on like my eyelid. So let's try a little bit out on the cheeks. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit on my beauty sponge and just kind of dab 2 little spots. So you can definitely tell there are glitter particles in there. Now it is pretty, and I feel like you can kind of dull it down with a little bit of like blending out a little bit of what you've used your sponge for, like your foundation and stuff. If you do that over it, you can kind of subtle it a little bit. But I mean, it is pretty, don't get me wrong. It's very pretty, but there are definitely glitter particles in there. But I think it's very blinding, and I think it's very pretty. And maybe for like a holiday party or something, that could be really pretty. But what I want to try to test out, I'm going to take a little bit on my finger and put it on my eyelid. because this could be also used as a liquid eyeshadow. Because there's glitter in there, that could be really pretty. This is not typically, see how that's like blinding? You can definitely build it up if you want to on your eyelid. I think this is pretty. There are no rules to makeup, guys. No rules. No rules. And I definitely think this is a good product in this box. Let me just tell you how much this retails for. This retails for $44. So I'm gonna pop on my lashes, and I like these lashes because the band is not like sparse, so like you don't necessarily have to put down eyeliner if you don't want to. I love these lashes. They're super comfortable. You can tell they're very kind of like, you can tell I have lashes on obviously, but they're like natural. They're not too much in my opinion. I like the shape of them. I like how there's areas in here where they get a little bit longer. These would be really, really good, like not everyday lashes, but on a day where you want to be a little more glam, but not too much to where you look like you're going out for the night. So I really, really like that this was in the box. I love when they put lashes in the box because it kind of opens your eyes to new lash lines, because the only really like high-end lash lines that I know about are Lily Lashes and Flutter Lashes and House of Lashes. Those are like the only really three that I really know about, and I don't even get them from there. I get mine usually from the drugstore. I usually get the Salon Perfect 614 style, or I like the Kiss lashes too, but I really, really like these. They're very comfortable, and I like how the band is already dark enough where I didn't necessarily have to put on an eyeliner, but I did because it came in the box and I wanted to try it out. But when you have a band like this where it's like thick, it's not thick black, but it's like black all around, there's no sparse areas, you can really get away with not wearing any eyeliner on your lid, and it just looks like you have eyeliner on because that's how the band comes. So I'm just gonna pop on some more highlight in my lips and I'll be right back. So the total value of the box this month for my box personally was $109.98, and I paid $21. Boxycharm is a really good subscription if you want to build your makeup collection without knowing typically what is good out there and not wanting to pay like the full price of everything. This is a really good box because you get really good products in here that you may not necessarily know about. I didn't know about the Ace brand. I didn't know about the Lash brand. I didn't know about a lot of the brands that were in this box this month, but I really liked the majority of them. Okay, so I absolutely loved the eyeshadow palette. I really, really like the Luxie brushes. They're super, super soft, and they're adorable for holiday. Oh my gosh, not just for holiday. I really love the lashes, so I'm gonna give this one an A+, even though they're $14. You can reuse these over and over and over again. I think you can reuse lashes up to 5 times. You just have to be sure to really take care of them, so whenever you take them off, make sure you get some tweezers and like pull off the glue that was left on there from the previous use, and you can get really good uses out of it. I really do like them. The eyeliner, not too crazy about. It was a little bit drying. I don't like glitter eyeliners, and I was just not huge about the wood pencil, so this one was an but this was only $5, so it's not like it wasted a lot of money in there. And then the glitter drops, I think, was a really good product in the box because they are $44, and it's Cover FX, which is crazy. And I just added some Milani highlight over top of it, and it kind of took away a lot of the glitter particles that were underneath it, so it just acted as a topper on there. So I really, really like that, and I put it on my lids, and you can kind of see how it's a little bit glittery on my eyelids now that I've added that. So I like it on my eyelids. So if you didn't know, Boxycharm is a subscription service that is once a month, and you get 4 to 5 deluxe sample or full-size products in there. I think everything in this box this month was full-sized, which is crazy. They did just release a Boxy Luxe, which you can go subscribe to. I think it's $50 quarterly. So that means 4 seasons out of the year, you get the Boxy Luxe, which is just multiple full-size products. I mean, a lot of full-size products, really good products that you know about. So if you want to jump on that bandwagon, go ahead. I think they still have a wait list, if I'm not wrong. The last one was, I think, the October, I think it was the September Boxy Luxe, And oh my gosh, it had the best products in there. I was so mad that I wasn't able to get that. It was so pretty. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload my next video. Let me know down below if you enjoy seeing these Boxycharm unboxing try-on style videos, because I love them. I love this. I love Boxycharm. They are the sweetest subscription service. What I did want to mention was that if your palette comes in crushed, or if any of the shades come in shattered, all you have to do is email customer service along with a picture of the crushed product with your shipping form, so that they can like verify that it was shipped to you on this date. And all you have to do is provide a picture of it, and they will send you a brand new palette in your next box, no charge, nothing. So they are really sweet customer service. I really do love the Boxycharm brand. Again, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of the day and a great rest of the week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.